Morning people, how the devil are you? Right, we've got the toys out the shed again. It's a bit windy today, so apologise if the sound's a bit off. The wind does tend to take the sound away from this camera for some reason. Just done a cold start on the Zontes and it fired up just fine. Haven't been started for a couple of weeks. Still not got round to MOT in that. It is ready, I just need to find the time to get it round there. I believe it's ready anyway. I did reline the brakes on that, didn't I? Yeah, because I filmed it. So that was my main concern of something it might fail on. So hopefully that's sorted, although they do need bedding in. The other issue it might have, and I'm not sure, I think them indicators might be too close together, but I'm not going to move them. Either pass or it doesn't. Still can't get hold of my regular guy. Motorcycle Works in Peterborough's the guy I normally use, but I don't know, just not answering his phone. So yeah, anyway, what we're going to do today, I'm going to do a cold start on that pressure washer because I want to bring that to a close. I also want to test the pump on it, which is still disconnected at the minute. I don't know if I mentioned it on the last video because I can't remember because I'm a senile old fucker, but I lost the woodruff key, so I've been online and I've ordered this. This is a woodruff key for a go-kart. I don't know if it'll fit, but let's have a look, see if it'll drop in the slot. Yeah, sort of. It's tight, but it might work. Might be able to trim that up a bit. So yeah, I want to. We'll do a cold start on it, and then we'll try and fit that woodruff key or make that fit. I wish I knew what I'd done with the original. I've got no idea. I just remember taking it off and thinking I must put that away somewhere safe. I can't even remember if I did, or whether I just dropped it or might have gone through one of the gaps in there. It could be anywhere. I've scrambled around there. Oh, I don't know what I've done with it. Anyway, look, we ramble on. Let's see if it'll start. It's not been started for I'll tell that here. A couple of weeks, maybe 10 days. So when I stopped it last time, I turned the fuel off and let it run out of fuel, so the bowl will be completely empty. But let's give it a go. I don't expect it to start first pull, or even second, third or fourth, but we'll give it a go. Oh, is that switch on? Where the fuck is the switch? Oh, there it is, yeah, it is on. Right, let's put that key up there. Let's try some choke. Let it warm up, shall we? Not bad considering I just found it laying on someone's lawn in the long grass. Job. Right, what do I do with the pump? Here it is. I'm really not expecting this pump to work. I suspect that's probably why it was thrown out, because generally that's what goes on these things, the pumps. But let me get that refitted. Assuming I can do that, we'll get some water supply to it, because you can't run these without water. Fucks them up, which is probably what's happened. Yeah, and we'll see if it pumps any water. Back soon. Right, I'm ready to test this pump. Well, I say I was ready. For some reason, my outside tap stopped working. I don't know why, and I've taken this tap right off here, and there's still no water coming out. So I know nothing about plumbing. So what we've got here is a very shonky setup. It's probably going to fall off, but that's my rainwater butt, and I've got a pipe going from the pump just dropped into there. I don't know if that's going to pull water up, but this is going to go wrong, isn't it? Right, let's see what happens. So that's on. Okay, well that's as I suspected. That's not pulling any water up at all, so the pump's fucked, and that's probably why it was binned off. But anyway, I've got a nice useful little 4-stroke side drive engine there, which could be perfect for a go-kart or something. So yeah, we'll stick that one in my stash, and maybe sometime in the future we'll find a use for it. Right, that's the end of that one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you all later.